Hello everyone, thank you for joining me at Living at Your Finest Wellness meditation class. How are you all doing today?
Amazing.
Amazing. Lovely. I love that word. How are you doing?
Great.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Well, in this busy world that we're in, we do need to take time out to meditate. Meditate on the Word of God. Meditate on your lives. Meditate on how things have been and reflect into the new year, 2024. Who is excited about 2024? Yeah? And who is just thankful for what 2023 was all about? I am as well. 2023 was just a lot for me, you know. Opening up a new practice, my oldest going to college, my other kids doing well, just a lot. My husband doing well, family. God kept us healthy, kept us well. Going in and coming out is not, we don't take it for granted. So during this period, I want us to be in a reflective mode. Alright, I want you to let it all out, be present. If your mind wanders, that's okay, just redirect it. So I want you, let us start off by relaxing our legs. Alright, extend out, feel comfortable. Alright, and I want us to take a cups position. Alright, so just one vertebra at a time. One vertebra at a time, lean back. And then have your palm facing up. And just relax. Take deep breaths in and out. Relax, in and out, in and out. Make sure your palm is facing up and just breathe in and out. Gradually, I want you to hold your legs towards your chest. Gradually do that. Once you're comfortable, roll from side to side. When you're ready, I want you to roll yourself up. If you can, one vertebra at a time. Very good. So what we're going to do, I want you to turn your legs to the other side, just one. We're going to stretch. Go ahead and just, as far as you can. Do you feel the stretch? Excellent. Don't forget to breathe. Alright, go ahead and extend that leg back in. Very good. So what I need us to do, we're going to start with our salutation. Are you familiar with the morning salutation? How we're going to do that? Alright, well let me show you. You have to get to a standing position. Alright? Standing position. So how are we going to do this? Alright. And you're going to do an upward standing dog like that. Very good. And then walk yourself all the way to your toes. One vertebra at a time. Raise up. Rise up. One vertebra at a time. Very good. So now we're going to practice what we call morning salutation. You can do this anytime in the morning when you wake up. You can do it midday and even at night. Very relaxing. How does it begin? You have your hands up. Beautiful. Smile. Welcome the day. And then upwards. Then you bend. Make your head go towards your knee. And then you stretch your head out. Beautiful. So now you can either hop or step. Watch me as I do this. You can either go like this, or you can go like this. Whichever one you feel. You can hop or step, and when you do that, now you're going to go flat, and you're going to upward. You feel that? Beautiful. Excellent. Stretch. Don't forget to breathe. want you to paddle your feet. Go ahead and paddle. Stretch as far as you can. Awesome. Now we want you to hop or step forward. And then gradually, don't raise up yet. Put your head towards your knee again. And then gradually, put your hands up. Awesome. You want to do it one more time from the top? Alright, so how do we begin? Put your palm upright. Smile. Be thankful. Rejoice for everything that you've accomplished this year, even the things you haven't accomplished. Go ahead and extend your hands out. And then towards the ground. Remember to tuck your head closer to your knee. And then lift your head up because you're getting ready to hop a step. Right? Hop a step. Awesome. Stretch it out. Elongate yourself. Elongate. Smile. You're all doing an amazing job. Now, downward facing dog. Don't forget to pedal your feet as you do that. We don't use our muscles, we'll lose it. Whenever you're ready, hop or step towards the front, and then have your head towards your knee. And gradually come up. Awesome. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alright. So how are we feeling? So now we're going to practice what we call warrior pose. You familiar with the warrior pose? Alright, well I'll show you. We have warrior 1 and warrior 2. With the warrior 1, you step forward. Yeah? And then you extend your hands. This is lovely. Just relax. Make sure your knee doesn't go past your, this is it. This is your gauge. You don't want to go like that. You want to have it. Good. And you face where your hand is, yes? Now, beautiful. Okay? Alright. Breathe in and out and then come back to warrior 1. And then push that leg back to where you were because we're going to switch now. Very good. Remember, extend this. This is stretch. You got it. Look where your fingers are. So you can even deepen it. Just don't let your knee go past your toes. Now we're going to go into warrior 2. Remember warrior 2? And this time you're looking up and your fingers up there. And you stretch and you extend. Beautiful. Alright, now let it out back to warrior 1. And bring your leg back. Good job, guys. Good job. So now we are going to wrap up by getting on our feet. Alright, we're on our feet already, but sitting on our buttocks. Back in. So, how are we going to do that? We're going to do it by doing one salutation to the ground. Remember how to do the morning salutation? Beautiful. Head towards your knee. Raise your head up as you get ready to do your jump or step. Right. So what I need you to do now, just lie down flat. And what I need you to do, you can either have this way or this way. We are going to do the cobra. Okay, let's do a few of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So now, put your hands this way. We're going to sit back, and we're going to end with a cross pose. You know what a cross pose is? You're just there, like a cross, like a dead body. But you're not dead, you're all alive. Go ahead. One spot at a time. Have your palms out. And you just relax. Breathe in and out. And good, keep it. Very proud of the work that you've done. Whenever you're ready, you can come out of that position. Thank you so much for joining me today. Just tell your friends about Living at Your Finest Moments meditation session. It is to ensure that we live at our finest by being full, vibrant, and healthy. Blessings to you all. All right,